The macOS ecosystem is crucial for enterprise environments thanks to its security and user-friendly design. Comprehensive endpoint security requires a proactive approach. macOS has built-in security features like FileVault, Gatekeeper, XProtect, and system integrity protection. Understand and leverage these mechanisms for better security. FileVault encrypts the entire disk to protect sensitive data. Ensure it's enabled to comply with regulations like GDPR and HIPAA. Gatekeeper ensures only trusted applications are installed. Familiarize with its app review process to block unauthorized software. XProtect and malware removal tool provide baseline protection. Update macOS regularly to maintain their effectiveness against threats. System integrity protection limits root user privileges, ensuring core system files remain intact. Consistently ensure SIP is enabled. Strong password practices are key. Implement complexity requirements, account lockout thresholds, and periodic password changes. Enforce complexity requirements with a mix of characters. Tools can assess password strength during creation. Set account lockout thresholds to prevent brute force attacks, locking accounts after failed attempts. Password rotation policies help users keep passwords unique. Use MDM tools to notify users of impending expirations. EDR solutions enhance threat detection. Focus on real-time monitoring, behavioral analytics, and automated response. Real-time monitoring helps identify threats promptly. EDR tools can detect unauthorized access during off-hours. Behavioral analytics help detect anomalies. EDR can flag unusual data downloads as suspicious activity. Automated response workflows can quarantine compromised devices. This is critical until issues are resolved. Key EDR tools for macOS include CrowdStrike Falcon, SentinelOne, and Sophos Intercept X, each offering distinct protection features. Controlling application usage is critical. Use managed preferences and require app notarization by Apple. Restrict software installations to those vetted by IT. This helps to prevent unauthorized software risks. Implement privileged access management to restrict access for privileged accounts, minimizing the attack surface.
Securing the network environment in which macOS endpoints operate is paramount. Leverage macOS's built-in firewall to block unauthorized traffic and consider advanced tools like Little Snitch. Deploy VPNs to encrypt traffic and secure remote connections with robust encryption protocols like IKE v2 IPsec. Isolate critical assets and restrict lateral movement within the network by creating separate VLANs. MDM solutions are indispensable for enforcing consistent security policies across macOS devices. Use MDM to standardize encryption, app restrictions, and device configurations, like mandatory lock screens. Automate macOS updates to protect devices against vulnerabilities by scheduling updates during off-peak hours. Enable remote locking and wiping to secure lost or stolen devices with predefined workflows. Securing macOS endpoints outside traditional office networks is a top priority. Use tools like Apple Remote Desktop to manage and monitor devices without physical access. Verify user and device identity before granting resource access with ZTNA solutions. Regularly audit remote devices to ensure adherence to organizational security policies. Proactive auditing and testing help identify vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. Utilize tools like OpenVAS or Nessus for comprehensive assessments to identify outdated software. Conduct penetration testing to evaluate security controls' effectiveness, focusing on real-world scenarios. Leverage platforms like Splunk to detect suspicious patterns and generate actionable insights. End-user behavior is often the weakest link in endpoint security. Teach users to identify and report phishing attempts, providing examples of recent tactics. Provide resources for safe browsing and data handling with tailored guides for different user roles. A well-documented incident response plan enables swift action during security breaches. Assign clear responsibilities to IT and security teams during an incident. Use platforms like Carbon Black to analyze incidents and contain threats effectively. Document lessons learned post-incident to refine security measures accordingly.